Hello, fishing friends. Here it is, October the 28th. It's a bit cool out here today on Rainy Lake, but the fish don't know any better. They seem to like it pretty well, so let's see what we can catch today. And there he goes back. Let's see if we can catch a few more. Well, that didn't take long. Put the rig back out. Trolled about 20 feet. And guess what? Another hungry walleye. The goal today is to catch an eater for supper, but this one may be a little too big. I'm going to put the trolling motor on anchor and hold us here for a second. Oh, it's a pike. Oh well. Here you go. Mr. Pike. He's barely hooked, but my cold fingers are not too adept at getting him free. So use a little helper here to pry his mouth open. There we go. That got it. Okay, there you go, Mr. Pike. Back in the lake you go. The air temperature today is 29 and the water temperature is 48. The fish are fairly deep right now, heading for their winter hangouts. Well, fishing friends, I've lost my walleye for the minute, but look what's biting. I've gotten into a school of smallmouth, and let's see if we can catch a few more of them. This ends the fishing season for me. It's now muzzleload hunting time up in Dryden, Ontario. I hunted all last week, and the weather was fine to start with, but the weather turned cold and snowy, and actually hunted in a blizzard with a tent top caving in on my head. So an interesting hunt so far. See you fishing folks next year.